What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go ahead and show you one of the products that we are talking about, the Artsyl technology for processing a HCFA or UB type medical claim. Now, normally this technology runs on a server, so an end user doesn't really see it. But for the purpose of demonstrating this product, we're going to show you kind of an under the hood view of the application and show you what happens on the server while the claim is being processed. So the first thing is that the solution can take input from, as I mentioned, many different sources. We can monitor folders out on the network and pick up claims that are already in a TIFF or JPEG or PDF format. We can connect to scanners and drive scanners and have scanners as inputs. We can connect to MFPs like Sharp and Kyocera and Xerox and Ricoh and others to take input directly from an MFP. We can connect to fax servers like WriteFax from OpenText. All of these would be inputs to the system. And once those images are scanned in or sent in via the appropriate input device, they come into the server as a batch. And a batch is basically a unit of work to the solution. The automatic processing of the claim starts at this point, and things like the automatic classification, the separation and splitting of those individual claims or that batch of claims into individual claims to be processed happens at that point. Now, there are two modes to operate in. One is a low volume type of solution that installs on the desktop, and the other is our high volume server-based solution. What we're going to kind of take a look at is the interface for the low volume solution, and it shows you what would be happening at the same time within the larger server-based solution on a fully automated basis. So this is what we call a semi-automated application, desktop application, and it shows you what's happening in the fully automated server-based solution. So a claim comes in, and automatically some rules are being applied. These rules identify which fields of information need to be extracted from the document. Now, in this case, I'm going to show you the semi-automated mode, and then the next NUCC, I'll show you how it would operate in the fully automated mode. Here, I can simply point to and click on the field that I want to capture. And you'll notice that with a single click, I've captured 4 characters of information. Or here, when I take the insured ID, I capture 9 characters with a single click. And so this software will continue to help us capture data with a single click, capturing 1 or more characters of information immediately. This results in a dramatic reduction of data entry effort even in the semi-automated mode. So I could continue to click, or I can let the software actually extract the rest of the information. Now in this case, I pressed the F3 button, and you'll notice that all of the rest of the fields on this document were automatically extracted. So the software can be trained to learn based on the operator's clicking habits. Wherever they click, it will remember and the next time automatically extract that data. Now, if this was happening on the server, if this was the fully automated version, then all you would see is the data being extracted. You would not see any type of clicking. Okay, so depending on the size of the operation, a small operation, very low volume, might be better suited to the semi-automated desktop version of the solution. A high-volume service bureau or insurer doing tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of claims per day would be better suited for the high-volume server-based product. Now, something that I'll mention is that some of the characters are highlighted in pink, and that's because the OCR did not recognize them confidently, those characters confidently. So with this application, especially in the server-based version, you would have the ability to go ahead and do verification. And what that means is that as documents are being processed by the solution, only those documents that have uncertain characters or business rule violations would come to an operator for them to take action on. So instead of me seeing 100 claims and keying in each claim individually, the software would process those 100 claims, and only those with problems would come to me as an operator. In this case, I could actually confirm that the information is being entered correctly. Now here, we have some misrecognized characters. You'll notice here that this is actually supposed to be a speck on the image, so I can simply correct that. And then when I move over to this character, you'll notice that I have a number of misrecognized characters. This HCFA is a second or third generation HCFA, so I can manually correct the information and process this HCFA and move on. Confirm that, and then we are done confirming. So verification is done, and I can go ahead and export that document. So this can be done, again, either in a semi-automated or a fully automated fashion. And we will be hosting further healthcare type WebExes, so we appreciate your input. Any interest in particular subjects, please drop us an email. We'd be happy to try and fit it into our WebEx schedule. Thank you, and have a great afternoon. Goodbye.